Here's my 5x8 trailer that I bought for $240. This is the finished product. So I bought a new tongue jack, about $30. About $60 for a new toolbox. I bolted it down to the frame and added this bracing. This is a 2,000 pound. It had these landscaping brackets on here. This one is, I'm guessing, for a leaf blower, and then there's 3 slots for trimmers. I bought 2 new wheels, spent $90 on them. And about $8 on a new lock piece off Amazon. I also used one of the old tires, and then I had a U-bolt from an older trailer that I welded on here, and I'm using it as a spare tire holder. So this is perfect. Great little trailer to start a landscaping business. I'm going to be selling it for about $1,000.